out at Holopal. Ice cream truck is doing its thing. Outstanding. We're testing out if you can just drive around in crawl control. So I've got it in high-speed crawl control, and I'm just driving like I usually would, and we're going to see how annoying it is. One thing is annoying: when you let off the gas, it doesn't just coast. ABS kicks in and crawl control kicks in and tries to bring you back to that speed. So it's kind of like one pedal driving if you've driven a Tesla, where you don't have to hit the brake to slow down. It's actually your speed is kind of where your throttle position is. But we're gonna see if we can get used to it, and how much I miss having regular A-track, which is gone now, disappointingly. We're just cruising around. It drives just like it's an A-track. And if you fall into a rut or you need the extra traction, it uses the brake LSD up to at least 10 miles an hour so far. We're gonna try to climb up this fairly steep, very soft bank right here, and we're in crawl control high, and I'm just gonna drive it with the throttle like I usually would, and we'll see how it does. There's the brake LSD kicking in all the way up to 10 miles an hour, and it drove right up it. Kind of worked exactly how you'd expect, like multi-train select. All right, so using this again, hooked up to a pine tree, down to the factory recovery point. It's framed out really good, so I'm gonna put it in crawl control. It's all flexed out, huh? It's close. Thank you. Car control looked good there. Just look at the drag in the back diff. Alright, let's go. The Lexus down the canal. My brakes have had a lot of mud in them. This is a good way to rinse them out. So the Lexus is now a Tesla because it's in a crawl control, and it's steering itself because it's in a rut. And we determined that crawl control in its highest setting in a Gx460 is approximately 3.5 miles per hour. Pretty good. Pretty good speed for being in self-driving mode. We got him. Being that this is no worse than A-Track, and it does have some gimmicky little fun stuff of letting it do its own throttle, I think this is a good mod. I definitely wouldn't pay $400 for the whole switch assembly, but because it was free and it's working good and it gives you some little cool things up here, I'd say it's a good mod. MTS, I was thinking about adding it. That module is about 250 bucks. It's the module that goes under here, and it lets you have multi-train select, which is just tunable A-Track. I don't really think I need it after driving this around, because the crawl control works good. And I think the crawl control, you know, it gives you assistance all the way up to 15 miles an hour, where most people say that multi-train select cuts out around 7 miles an hour. I think that's probably bullshit. I'd like to test it, so we may get it just to test it. We're gonna go 20 miles an hour and engage crawl control and see what happens. Truck might just flip over. Also, in low range, the transmission will only shift into 4th gear, which I find to be very weird. All right, so 20 miles per hour, toggle the switch. Nope, it's flashing, denied. So go 14 miles an hour now.
There she is.
There it is. Wait, that was above 14. Perfect for post Holopal. Truck's gonna be nice and clean. There's that FJ again. Found a method of travel through the log jams. You just gotta throw your hips into it. Nice tires.